Whew. Sorry guys, just hit that tripod there and shook you guys. So, yo, what's up guys? Back again with another video. And I have a small box this time. So, let's see what's in it. This just showed up. I need to get a clock in here so I can tell what time it is. I think it's about lunchtime actually. I don't know, about noon-ish. So, what I got is power! I have the power! Yeah. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I ordered some motors and ESCs. So, I'm gonna pull them out and we're gonna look at them. Alright, so, that's it. Nope, that's it. That is it. That is it. That's the ticket. Alright, so we're gonna put that one aside because that one is, ooh, that might go in another car that I have. So I have two of these, and these are a 1721 2400 kV motor. It's max 90,000 ripums and has a big old 8mm shaft to drive that spur gear. So yeah, not quite a can motor, but pretty darn close. So I have a couple of ESCs that I'm going to use with this other car, and yeah, so we'll see how that goes. This is for a dual motor car that I have yet to set up, obviously. So that's that. 1 and 2. Same. Then I got this. This is a Cobra 5. And yeah, this is good for 3 to 8S. And this is a 2028 1100 kV. So this is a can motor. It's only good for 45,000 ripums. Also rocking the 8mm shaft, and it's got the Cobra 5 ESC. So that's like pretty much what is the new. But this leads me on to the other one that I got that I put off to the side. So this is the new school, right? Cobra 8 Ace Ghost RC. So I'm going to open this up because this is going to go into a car. That box is torn. That's rude. I hope it's not messed up. 'Cause I only got one of these. I got one of these just for this one car, and if it blows up, it blows up, and then that's it for that car. I don't think I'm going to blow this up. So I got this for a speed run car that I have. Is it in here with me? Yeah, it is. It's just off the camera. So let's check this out. Boom. We have Castle Creations link here that comes with it. Obviously, you would probably want to have something like that if you're going to be doing the nerdy thing and reading your data. So yeah, this is only the ESC. Didn't get the motor because it really doesn't make much difference. So yeah, this is going in my speed car, no doubt about it. And I am going to be happy as a clam when it goes really fast. What the shit is that? So y'all heard what I read right off the box, right? Oh, but was that the other one that I read that off of? Yeah, 3 to 8S for that Cobra 5. And this says it's only good. It says 4S Lipo Max. And then on the bottom of this box, it says designed for 2S no prep drag racing. Right. Wow, that's kind of interesting. So on the box, it notes continuous variable timing split between boost and turbo with up to 120 degrees total timing. I'm not sure how they're getting that number, but other than that, the big number that I'm really looking at is this 32-bit ESC. So this thing has a brain, right? It's got a computer in it. So this is what is going to unlock some speed for a lot of people because it's programmed in, right? From what I understand, from what I've read online, this thing is got perfect pass built in. So all you got to do is like program it and set it up, and that's it. And it's built in, which that is dope. Very dope. So, yeah. This is gonna be awesome. And it's got them smaller connectors for that other motor. We'll see. We'll see. I gotta do some soldering and then plug this, make sure that the motor I have that's in my speed car will accept this. Because I don't think I have the same plugs that's on here. These are 6.5s or something like that. And the one that I have on there are like the smaller ones. I got a Castle X? Mama X? Yeah, Mama X in my speed car, which is actually right here. Yeah. So, this. I'm going to replace the Mama X with this Ghost RC and see how it fares. Yep. That's the plan. I'll do a 2, 3, 4, and 6S run with this, so long as it survives. And after I've done that, I will throw in this one with could do that. I have a T&P motor that is chilling in another car right now that I could pair that with this real easily, and there's enough space in here for it. My problem is that T&P motor has a 8mm shaft on it, I believe. Or is it 5? I forget. It's either 5. If it's 5, I'm golden. But if it's 8, like I'm thinking, I can't use it in this, and that's that. It's bad enough that I already have to figure out how I'm going to change the gearing in this anyway. So I want to go to mod 1 at a minimum. And I don't know if I can get parts like that. I'll have to dig around and look, and that's that. Other than getting this new fangled ESC with the Bluetooth link, I have my speed car here I've been working on, and I've run it, and it's pretty fast. I just took it out for a quick shakedown run, and yeah, it really didn't do bad at all. I could tell I needed to do a lot of tuning, but yeah, this is the body I've been working on. That's in the way. I have materials on the way for a pan for this car. And I also have materials on the way to change the body also a little bit. This body's already been chopped. I chopped out pretty much a solid inch. Yeah, 1.1 inches of this body. I shortened it that much. It's not bad. I think it turned out pretty good. I have like almost no clearance for my current set of foams that's on here, but I am going to true up my tires and balance them once I have the pan installed and the body fixed, because yeah, I have to have those two things before I'm gonna balance the tires and take out for an actual speed run. Yeah, I've been doing RC now for a little over a year, about 1.5 years now, and I have a feeling this might be my super fast car. I've never broken, or I've never recorded anything myself more than 65, 63, I think. And that was with one of my other cars that I've been like tweaking and running and playing around with for a long time. And yeah, it's just not aerodynamic at all. It's like an open-wheeled car and can parachute also. But yeah, it goes pretty good if you in short distances. But yeah, any fast stuff and it just flies. Literally, it takes off. So that's why I only got like 63, 65. Yeah, I'm still somersaulting after that. But anyways, I got this thing to put in here and should be good. So until then, I'll see you on the next one, and thanks for swinging in on this one.